How much does it cost to fix an RV or a fifth wheel that has soft spots on the floor and signs of water damage on the wall? There's a few factors that go into this. If you're thinking about hiring a professional to repair this for you, we're talking water damage, partial rebuild, taking out the slide out and repairing the flooring, all that stuff. It's gonna cost you thousands of dollars to repair that. However, if you're willing to do the repairs yourself, like a ton of other owners have done, it's not so much the cost that you have to worry about. A more important question you should be asking yourself is, how much time and patience do you have? As far as cost of materials to do it yourself, you're looking at plywood, lumber, interior paneling for the walls, a little bit of new paint, and new flooring. And the cost of flooring depends on your design, what type you want, all of those things. Realistically, you can probably get all that done under $500, depending on your area and the market. But I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not an easy repair. But you never know how much damage is actually there to repair unless you start ripping it out. So if this is a fifth wheel or an RV that you're looking to buy, first, get it inspected. And if you really love the floor plan, just know that everything in an RV can be repaired. How much you want to put into it is completely up to you.